Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Play-Doh ice cream maker. This is such a cute little toy for any kid, if you want to do it as a gift, or just your own kids to be able to play with. It's got a really simple little ice cream tool that comes with these little things. You can actually create different shapes, and it just slides right in through here. You've got little areas here that you can make your toppings. You can make different patterns for a waffle or a little cone to stick in the top. You have your little cones right here. If you want to make a banana split, you've got different things, spoons, knives. It comes with 8 different colors. So I'm going to bring you in here so you can see just how to make a nice little ice cream. So here's your Play-Doh. It is really soft. It doesn't stick to your hands. It moves all around real nice. All you have to do, here's your little machine up close. You can see all the little fruit things here, and then your little waffle maker. So you can just stick something in there, push down, and you've got a little waffle imprint. That can go on top of your thing. Now you can also take the Play-Doh and we just shove it down inside this little hole. And once you get it in this hole, then you just press this down into your little ice cream hole there. And now we're making some ice cream. So here we can add some more in. Or if you do want to do a different color and you can have different color ice cream scoops in there, you can definitely make a little swirl ice cream. You can use whatever creative ideas you want to have in making this ice cream. And then once you're all done, you just simply add on your toppings.
Whoa.
And have a pretend time.
Here's yellow.